you about the kind of weapons that were used. But do you know what was at the heart of India's operation? Artificial intelligence, or AI. That's right, AI proved to be a game changer. It gave India the clear upper hand in 100 hours of fighting. AI was deployed for two roles. First, let's talk about offense. Indian jets proved to be too lethal. They struck Pakistan at will. The Rafale gave India the edge. The jet launched long-range missiles like the Scalp. It struck targets deep inside Pakistan. Pakistan had Chinese radars. They failed to detect the Indian launches. Their Chinese air defense systems also failed. Why? Because the Chinese systems had been blinded, not literally, but electronically. Because of the AI technology that the Rafale brings to the table, it uses AI algorithms for electronic warfare. The Rafale's radar tracks targets. Then the AI runs super computations. It studies the radar input and finds weak spots in air defenses. It gives the pilot options to launch the attack. Now, we already know that Indian jets jammed Chinese systems that paved the way for the airstrikes. Given the Rafale's AI capabilities, it may have done the jamming. And AI would have aided the operation by giving the Rafale pilots real-time data to launch missiles for optimal hits. So that was AI's role when India was on the offensive. Now let's also look at the defense. Pakistan retaliated to the Indian strikes on terror camps. They launched projectiles at Indian military bases and civilian areas. But India's air defense network shot down the threats. This was done using two things: anti-aircraft guns and surface-to-air missiles. It was a coordinated effort by the Army and the Air Force, but AI played a major role here as well. This happened in two phases. First, AI recorded the radar imagery of the drones and missiles. It studied their trajectory and calculated where they could hit. That was phase one. Then came the second phase. AI guided the Indian air defense units. It gave them multiple plans on how to position the anti-aircraft systems so that the projectiles could be shot down. That too with the least amount of effort. This helped in saving time and ammunition. So AI was actively used in deep strikes and air defense. This is Indian innovation at its finest. Even Prime Minister Modi highlighted the use of advanced technology in combat.
बीते दशक में एयरफोर्स सहित हमारी सभी सेनाओं के पास दुनिया की श्रेष्ठ टेक्नोलॉजी पहुंची है। लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं, नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ चुनौतियां भी उतनी ही बड़ी होती हैं। कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और सोफिस्टिकेटेड सिस्टम को मेंटेन करना, उन्हें एफिशिएंसी के साथ ऑपरेट करना, एक बहुत बड़ी स्किल है। आपने टेक को टैक्टिक्स से जोड़कर दिखा दिया है। आपने सिद्ध कर दिया है कि आप इस गेम में दुनिया में बेहतरीन है।